So productive, I think, insightful, and fun. You know, David makes it fun. He's got great music going on. He's got great humor. He engages with the people in a very human way, and so people respond to that. So it's a very positive experience. Yeah. Yeah, the fun is an important part of it because we engage the material so much more with much more ease and sort of joy. And it is joyful material because we're trying to do this good work of connecting with people we're not connected to. So there's so many divides, and the material is it works for every one of those. You just begin to engage people on those issues, you can use this material. So we have to engage this work. I mean, if we're going to move towards something, a better dialogue nationally, this is the work we got to do now, the groundwork we have to do now.